something experimenty, and I don't know how this is going to turn out. I was thinking of adding some spirulina. It might be nasty, or it could be good, or it could be bad, but I'm all about experimenting here. I'll eat it regardless, but why not? Let's just not add it to add a little bit of nutrition, right? Okay, so we're gonna try that. And then, I don't know, I'm really loving bee pollen. So I'm gonna throw, this is gonna be so, this is looking so random, but you know what? You just gotta like have a base and you gotta add things to it. And the final thing I'm gonna add is strawberries. So you guys don't see the experiments. I only show you what comes out good. This could, I laugh at myself quite often, I have to say. I think I'm hilarious. So yeah, but I'm gonna just mix this all. Maybe I shouldn't have done it in this jar. Maybe I should have did it in something else, but it's looking green. I might even give it a bite. Let me go get a spoon. Okay, so I mixed it all up and it looks like a green monster, but spirulina does that and so does Blue Magic, but I'm gonna give it a try. I mean, why not? This is what life's about. It's about experimenting. I like it, but I like weird things. So I just do. I like weird combinations of things, and I'm a bit eccentric like that, but I will probably eat this tomorrow morning for breakfast, but I don't think I'm gonna put it on the blog. But it was something fun to try, and that's the thing is like, don't be scared to experiment with new things, to try new recipes, because what's the worst that's gonna happen? It's gonna be green sludge and it's gonna taste gross. It's got a lot of good stuff in it, so I'm gonna eat it tomorrow and see how I feel, but I don't know. I just think like we gotta experiment more and try things, because that's where creation happens. When you get out there and you try something new, who knows? It could be a win or it could be a fail. You know, Matty wants to try it. So Matty, why don't you give this a try?
Should I give myself my own spoon or?
Yeah.
I'll give myself my own spoon.
She's gonna get a spoon, but you're gonna see her reaction on this. Again, she wants to try. I am not forcing her. Maddie likes weird things too, but this might be too weird for her.
It's good.
What's that face though? That face doesn't look like
spirulina.
It's the spirulina. Maybe the spirulina was a bit too much. Maybe I do a half teaspoon. I'm gonna eat it tomorrow. Yeah, I don't think she likes it.
No, the strawberries are really.
Of course, strawberries are good.
They had a good touch. The spirulina aftertaste is a little rough.
Yeah. So again, spirulina is not a sweet thing, and I did not sweeten this. So anyway, I don't think she likes it.